Hey everyone, I'm Rena Jean with RJ's Amazing Entertainment. I'm going to teach you how to twist a very fast and simple bee balloon design. Yes, a bee, like so I kind of cheat, or maybe I just buy extra awesome amazing balloons. And this is called a bee body balloon. It's very obvious as to why. So I just, not even like maybe one pump, let out a whole lot of air, or a little bit of air, and then twist it. And what I like about this is I can kind of squeeze it or mash it around a little bit, and little kids can just squeeze it too very easily. And then I'm going to take a white 260, and I'm going to inflate this almost 100% of the way. I'm going to leave a little tiny tail at the end, just enough so I can take it, twist it, and tie it up. And then I take this beautiful circle, put it in half, and then I take my bee body. Let me just switch hands so it's obvious what I'm doing. And I'll take about 4 fingers and twist. I like to make the bee head a little bit tinier than the body. Then I connect the 2 of them. And I have this adorable little bee. This is perfect for restaurants, festivals where there are going to be huge long lines and you need to do ninja twisting. And by ninja twisting, I mean 1 or 2 balloon designs as quickly as our little fingers can twist or tie off a balloon. And then we can do let's do happy bee. Do a big eyeball, big happy bee, and smiley face. We're good to go. Thanks for watching.